this boy would not have walked through those gates if not because of you. He insulted me. Hey! He insulted my family. This boy insulted the gods of this family. Yadiba, did he tell you what he did?
Yes. He told me he came to collect back the dowry. And I remember telling him that that was the most stupid thing he has ever done.
Eddie, it is not the most stupid thing he has done. You see that place? There, where my hand is pointing at. That was where this boy spilled a keg of palm wine in front of me, in front of my family, in front of the gods of this family. You know what it means? Cutting off every iota of bond, relationship with my daughter.
Hey! Guys, did you do a thing like that?
Yes, they did.
Hey! Why then did you bring me here? Eh? Do you want Annie to kill me? Hey! Ibekwe, my good friend. I wash my hand of this. I want you to forgive my ignorance. I think I'll be taking my leave.
Eddie, that boy needs to tell you the truth.
The truth?
Package. For the sake of tomorrow. Inene kwa manya. Inafumpula anyang.
Ana mafu anyake.
That boy is not the father of the child.
Hey!
Oburiamu Jeku.
Kivana kakonka.
Let him say the truth.
Gary.
Or are you the father of Jeku?
Dave, I don't can't see it.
Freya. Okusi ame. Agwo. Me. Me. Eddie, words fail a man when the most recent of his action has been spawned from utter foolishness. Zana Juju, are you the father of the child?
No, in-law.
In-law. It's not Ingeni. Inge law. Almost also law you will in.
Ibekwe, my good friend. This is shameful. Very, very shameful. And I must take my leave.
Yeah? Ekania? What are you doing? What are you doing here? Mba! Bia come back in a room. Bia ka mpo bag in a room. In a make agwo. Ah! Ifojo. Anwa fuonya na so. Tufia!
Hey, if I be for John, I don't follow.
I don't know something.
I no code. Let's hear recording.
You go on easy Chinese.
Biko
Balo. How could you play a joke on me? Do you want the gods of the land to kill me?
I am very sorry. I didn't know what I was doing. I'm sorry. I was very angry.
Yes. Don't you ever, ever invite me in this case again.
Ugeze. Where's Ugeze? Ugeze. I know you can hear me in there. Open this door. Ugeze, open this door. Open this door, I'll break it. Ugeze. Very well then. I will go, but I will catch you. Ugeze, I know I will catch you, and I know you can hear me. No problems.
Ugeze.
You are mad. I should shut up. Me? Shut up. Me, shut up. You must pay us our money today.
Oh, you think you can run or you can hide?
No,
No problem. You must pay me my money today.
Pay us our money today.
Because I'll pay the money, but I don't have it now. Chuma, help me back right now. Because the money, because I will pay, but Chuma, because
they will know you do. I will give you a debt. Are you stupid? You are owing me and you've not paid me my money. You are asking me to beg your debt.
Can you imagine? You don't
know how to do.
I'm sorry. Let's take him to his uncle. No, I will pay. I will pay this money. I will pay when I have.
Let's go.
I will pay when I. Because you know. I'm a man like you. You're telling me. Kill me. Come on, give me my money. Kill me, then I know who will pay you.
What is that?
Tell them to leave me alone. Tell them to leave me alone.
It's all right. Hey, it's enough.
They tell them to stop this nonsense.
It's enough. What has he done?
Tell him to pay us. Just tell him to pay us.
9. I want him to give me my money. Because if he doesn't give me my money today, it's okay. How much is he owing you?
9, he's owing me 35,000 so.
Only. And you?
20,000 naira.
Who gets?
Uncle.
Who gets?
Uncle.
You said it's how much?
35,000.
And you?
20,000 naira.
It's all right. Wait for me.
Make sure he gets my money. Because if he doesn't...
Your own is how much?
I said 35,000.
Take. And yours?
20,000 naira.
Oh yeah, count it. Count it.
Who cares? You are owing almost everybody in this village.
Uncle, Nkebo is that you will not understand. It is a very, very long story.
I want to hear the whole long story now. Tell me.
I bought 2 goats. I bought a lot of other ingredients and things for the Ozo title.
Ozo title? Which Ozo title, Ugeze?
Ifeoma deceived me into thinking that she was pregnant for me, and
you have not answered my question. Which Ozo title? What Ozo title are you talking about? And if I may ask, was that the reason why you sent your wife away? So that you can marry another woman and take an Ozo title? What do you need an Ozo title for? Can he put food on your table? Has he taken anybody anywhere? Ugweze, I am disappointed in you. Very, very disappointed in you.
Very stupid. I'm the most stupid man alive. Very, very stupid. They were all right. My stupidity is legendary. My stupidity is even stupid itself. I'm very, very stupid. I don't deserve to live.
Hey! You want to kill yourself? Go ahead. Kill yourself. That's the only option you have now. You have no wife, no child. To crown it all, you are impotent. So the best option for you is to kill yourself. You changed your mind. Oh, coward! Jump! Jump!
Ifeoma, help me, please. Hi! Please help me, please. Ifeoma!
Stupid man.
Ifeoma! Hi! Hi! Hi!
Samala. Samala. Mama, you're not carrying the baby. Carrying the baby? Are you not with your baby inside the room? Ikulu. Oh, Samala. Mama, I can't find Jaku. What do you mean you can't find the baby? I can't find him. I left him on the bed. I went to the kitchen to get water. By the time I got back there, I can't find him. Hey! Adora.
My baby.
If you baby. Hey, my baby, I am. Nefoma. Oh, baby cannot chop over me. This is my baby. Nefoma.
I don't see.
Hey, Nefoma FM. I don't see come why
Baby. My baby.
Dada. Dada, what young wife?
Mama, I'm back. I for come. Hey. In a chong way.
Hey.
I for come.
Hey.
Let me see. Mama, come. Wait for one.
Please, did you say a small baby? A small baby. Small baby.
Jeku.
Who gets that? Who gets that? Who gets that? Wait, if anything where you like, they do yourself. I come to collect my money.
You see, Biko, I don't have money now, and besides, if you don't watch Roku, Biko,
I said I come to collect my money.
You see, kill me. Kill me, let me have rest, please. Just kill me.
Who gets that? I give you a day after tomorrow. If you fail to give me my money, Mega. Bambele chobani yaro mega mega. Nyam na bawo ifani.
Kamjido bimaka. Kamjido bimaka. Kamjide obimaka. Ifem follow no wa bugamike. Amarami fenyeme. Ewera bebenya maga. Kamjido bimaka.
Hey, two of you. Where are you coming from? That made you leave this house wide open?
We went to look for baby.
Which baby?
Ego's son.
What? Wait a minute. What did you say? The child? The child is missing?
Yes, he disappeared.
No, don't tell me that, don't tell me that. Wait. Disappeared. You mean that the child grew 2 legs and ran away, disappeared? Oh, come on, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Now, did anybody go into the bedroom?
No, Papa, nobody went into the bedroom. I was with the child in the room and I went into the kitchen to get water.
Yeah?
By the time I came back, I couldn't find him.
No. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous now. Now, wait, no. Wait. 2 grown-up women inside the house watching, and the baby disappeared. No. Now listen. I'm giving 2 of you 3 minutes to produce this child, to produce this baby. Now. Or this house will not contain all of us. I've said it all. I broke 1 million on.
It's your fault.
You were the one taking care of
Mama,
baby.
what are we going to do?
What do you mean, what are you going to do? Why didn't you look after your baby?
How would I know,
Why
Mama?
would you know? Is it not your baby?
Okay, what are we going to do,
You
Mama?
Jesus!
Mama, let's go inside.
Eh? I don't want to die, you.
Mama, you will not die. You will not die. He will not shoot you. He was angry then. His anger must have subsided now. Let's go. Let's go.
No, let me go ahead. Good evening. Good evening.
Go inside and get my food.
Immediately, sir. Nani, why are you silent over the missing child?
I'm not silent. I've reported it to the Council of Elders.
Fine. It's okay you've reported to the Council of Elders. But I think you should go and report to the police. They need to get Ugeza arrested. He's a suspect.
What makes you think Ugeza is the suspect?
But everybody knows he wants the child. Onobunamanka.
Well, don't worry. I know what to do.
Whatever it is you want to do, better do it fast. Because we can't lose that boy just like that.
Have you asked your daughter some questions?
Questions? What kind of questions?
Negodi. Have you looked at your daughter's eyes? Do those eyes look like the eyes of somebody that is touched? Do they look like the eyes of somebody whose child is missing?
This is something you do that I do not like. You're suspecting your own daughter. You don't trust anyone. Your own daughter. I can't believe this.
I've only said, ask your daughter some questions. Odesu.
I don't believe this. You know, I really cannot believe it. And that, I just can't stand the way you act sometimes. You don't trust anyone. I can't believe if I'm not auntie. I just can't believe it. Your own daughter? Egodi, we need to talk.
Talk, Mama Ogini, what is it?
Oh, Isima Ogini, how come I've not seen you cry over your missing child or the abnormal?
Mama, why are you saying this? Why? Do you think I'm not hot? Do you think I know where he is?
Now you tell me if you know where he is. Tell me now. Because it's abnormal to see you sit, not even lamenting over your child that disappeared. Oh, do you know? Oh my God.
I cry all the time. I wet my pillow with tears. Do you think I'm not hurt? He is my son, Mama.
I do not believe you. You're not telling me the truth. Look, if you've killed that boy, let me know. Okay, I know that you're angry because your father refused to let you marry Anozie. And you're just as hard-hearted as your father. You would go to any length to settle any scores.
Why are you saying this? Why? Why are you accusing me of killing my own son?
Hi. Have you forgotten the other day you walked to his cot with a knife?
But that does not mean I want to kill him. I can't kill a child I've waited for 5 years to have.
Hi, my son. Egodi. 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 Bulone. Buleto.
It's an attempt in futility to appease the venture of fools. It's even more degrading to make the attempt. If he thinks he can touch the tail of a tiger without being bitten, then he has another thing coming.
Nani, Ijukwamo, I think we should go to the police.
No. I know what to do.
Get on. Get on, yeah. Hey, come on. Come on down. What's up, you poor baby? Where is that? Where is the baby? Which baby?
Now listen, I am not here to exchange banters with you. Answer me now, where is that baby?
Mazi, I don't understand what you're talking about, Mazi. I don't know what you're... Mazi!
Now, I'm not joking. You have seen it. Where is the child? Mazi. Give me the child.
Mazi, please. I don't... It's the baby, listen.
Now listen. For the last and very, very final time, where is that baby?
Mazi, I swear to you, I have been indoors in my house for the past 2 days, nursing my broken leg. I have not stepped out. Mazi, I swear. Mazi!
EBERE. Anger is like an acid that is more dangerous to the vessel where it is stored than the place where it is poured. EBERE.
You better go. How did it go? Keko Siga.
You need to ask your daughter some questions.
My daughter?
Get me water to wash my hand.
Egodi.
Ugeze, there is fire on the mountain. A man who the gods fight for should also fight for himself. So if I didn't come here, Ibekwe would have shot you dead and nobody would have known. Well, my advice for now is that you should leave this town.
Uncle, I don't understand. Are you saying that I should run away?
That's not exactly what I am saying. I'm only trying to say that precaution is not cowardice. Listen, so many people are after your life. And that's because you are owing a lot of people. I will prefer if you go to your maternal home for now.
Just for fighting, but one day you must listen. Where is the baby?
I said I don't know where the baby is.
You don't know where the baby is? You must bring that baby back into this house.
Where will I bring the baby back? When I don't know where the baby is?
It will
never happen. Mama, it will not happen.
It will happen, oh. Oh, Messigo. Oh, Messigo, Mama. Chacha, Mama. Oh, Messigo. No, can't go cosime. Alana, please, Samoku.
Is it by force?
Oh, by force.
I said I don't know.
Hey, God, the Alan win up and walk in this compound. You must bring back that baby.
Hey, God. Even birds that have the ability to fly meet with death somewhere up there. Then their journeys still end with Mother Earth. You will bring that child back to this house, one way or the other.
Okay, you've heard it. You know your father. You know how he uses his gun. He shoots without missing. You will bring that baby back into this house.
I don't know where the baby is.
You will bring that. Chineke, Egodi, you're walking out on me. Egodi, you're saying, on somebody wrong. I need to Egodi. You think there's money? Egodi, you're what? Egodi, you're full cookie. You must bring that baby back. I John was your Walebania for on Nukuna Marife. I need to Egodi. Channel with Fiji.
Yeah. Listen, it's not moving fast. I have told you have to bring back that child. Do you hear me? You must bring that child, or I will destroy you in this house.
I said I will not bring that child.
You will bring that child.
I will not bring the child.
And I said you will bring that child. That's my decision. It's not for you to take.
Papa, I will not bring that child.
Wait, is there any concoction you took that has entered your eyes? Maybe from your senses. What's wrong with you? I say you will bring that child. Megodi, you will bring that child.
I will not bring the child.
Say it again. Say it again.
I said I will not bring the child.
All right. I have an answer to that. I have a cure to that. Wait for me. You will bring that child. Look at her eyes. You will bring the child, though. Did you hear me?
I will not bring the child.
Wait. Oh yeah, now listen. You are going to bring that child. Tell me where that child is.
Go on, shoot me. End it! What are you waiting for?
Listen. What I'm holding here is deadly. Go and bring that child, or I end it for you now.
Shoot me! End my life! Shoot me! What are you waiting for?
All right, so be it.
No, please.
What is it? What did you do?
She's your daughter.
What did you do?
Nani, Pico.
You held my gun by the nozzle?
Ha. Nani, wait.
I wanted to end it for her now.
Pico.
Now listen. Obolo na agu. If there is an agu that entered your head, coming out to your eyes, and then to your mouth, tell them you did not see them. Do you hear me? You will bring that child. You will.
Why are you being unnecessarily stubborn?
I will bring back that child only on one condition.
What is the condition?
If you allow me marry Anozie.
Hey! Do you sometimes listen to yourself when you talk? If you marry Anozie, what a mess. Why would you want to get yourself into that kind of mess? After messing around with that man, now you want to marry him?
Yes, Mama, let me marry him. Because that's the only way to clean up this mess. I want a life, Mama.
The only way to clean up the mess? It's obvious you were in love with him. You were already messing up with him, which led to this mess here. Now you want to add to the mess that you've messed. Hey! Let me tell you something. Your father would never support that.
Then that child will never come back to this house.
Oh God,
never.
Hey! Obviously, this girl has been messing up with Anozie. There's no doubt. The audacity. Egodi, Mama, sit down.
Mama, this one your face is like this. What is it?
Why did you lie to me?
Lie? Mama, what are you talking about?
So, you want to make a fool of us? Your father and I?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
I will tell you. For your information, somebody called me and told me that they saw you at the orphanage. You took Jeku to the orphanage and left him there. Is it true?
I said I don't know what you are talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about? So Wadiro, don't worry. I know what to do. I will invite Umuada to this compound. Tell them what happened and they will lay a curse on your head.
Let them lay a curse now. Let them lay a curse, Mama. I am not sorry about what I did.
Why not come inside for proper documentation? Where is she? Where has she run to? Oh God. Where is... Oh, fine baby. Oh my God.
I am not.
Oh, so that means you actually did it?
Yes, Mama, I did.
Hey! 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 How could you do a thing like that? Your father was right. I can't believe this. I cannot believe that my own daughter would do such a thing. It's an act of wickedness. You're wicked and you're a disappointment.
Mama, did you just say wicked? If I am wicked, then it is your fault.
My fault?
Yes, it is your fault when you and Papa refused me to marry Anozie. I told you, I want you, but you refused.
So that is the reason for the drama, right?
Yes, Mama. When you did that, you destroyed my happiness. You destroyed my innocence. You destroyed my conscience, Mama. Mama, if my child cannot have a father, then he will not belong to this family.
I destroyed your innocence. When Nonadi? Married to one man and sleeping with another. I destroyed your innocence. You destroyed your innocence yourself. You know what? You will take me to that orphanage to bring that child. I am not going. This is just a big... You must go. You must go. Oh, you're only 440. I will not bring it any chance. I will not bring it. She has saw it. She has saw it. You must say another. I won't fear. In a orphanage. Makanon orphanage. Kazoi. You sleep with your husband, you sleep with your husband's friend. It's an innocence. Innocentia. Innocent to God.
Can you remember me? I can't recall where we've met.
I was the lady that brought a child for you some time ago, a baby boy.
People do bring babies. Some even abandon their own at the gates.
No, I never abandoned my baby. I handed him over to you.
I remember. But you never came back the next day.
I was...
We waited for you. We couldn't see you. So we decided to put the baby for adoption. Someone else has adopted the baby.
Hey! Madam, you've given the baby up for adoption?
Yes.
Madam, please tell us where the person is. We'll go and find the person.
I'm sorry, ma. I cannot tell you that. They took all the legal procedures needed.
Madam, you can't do this to me now.
There's something I can do. Excuse me.
Madam, you can't do that.
Hey! Hey, God, excuse me. Hey, God, what do I tell your father? Hey, God! Can you chop up here?
My baby!
Hey! Oh, can't see that. Home! Negate me chair! Hey! Hey! I didn't hear more. Hey! I told you, it's in cha-cha. Cha-cha. Hey! Oh!
Nigga, what is it?
Oh!
Eh? Where are you coming from?
We went to the orphanage to bring the baby back. Baby Honoria. The baby is not there now. The baby is gone.
So he went where?
He was adopted.
Adopted by
who? How would I know, Nani? All I know is that the baby has been adopted. And you know the funny thing? They took the legal procedure. So there's no way we can get that baby back. Onago Kosibia. Hey! Onya Kamakolo.
Mama, my baby.
Because for the Makamu fear. When now in the same cha-cha. Osu cha-cha. Oh!
Egodi. Stupidity can be the worst kind of evil. Going by its result.
Hey!
Hey.
Mama! Mama, my baby! Mama!
Wagula! Why you loading complicate why you see? Waplamaka! Pama! You want your baby? Imanemo.
Aye! Hey!
Namo anagrafa. Okay. What my can I remember well because your baby guinea. My baby. You may go Dikeh call back one nagging a peasantly aquano. Molibanu, abo. Moliba. Oh, Chimo. Hey. Hello, Malama.
My baby. My baby.
baby. My baby.
Hey, good. Why did you rid your brain of its capacity to think? Why did you leave your brain behind with that useless and hopeless man that I had the misfortune of giving you to? Egodi, why did you give out that boy to the orphanage?
Papa, I'm sorry. I am sorry, Pico Baram. Nani, we need to do something. We have to take this case to the police. If I prefer no nekili, monaka ko anako.
I don't know what you want me to
do. Nani, you must do something. Something needs to be done.
No good. I need a male child. Either this way or that other way.
No, you can't tell me that this or that other way. I hope it's not what I'm thinking that you're talking about. Nani, can't tell me that other way. Mama, why are you crying? Okay, Mama, why are you crying? Mama, talk to me. Why are you crying? Your father, he wants to take another wife. Why are you doing this to me? Mama, I don't know what you're talking about, because we both went to the orphanage home and you heard what the mentor said. Hey, let me tell you something. Your father has threatened to bring in another woman, another wife into this family. I can't bear the thought of it. Please help me. We need to do something. I mean, can you imagine another woman in this compound? Mama, wait. Did you just say we? Mama, please don't bring me into this. It's not we, it is you. It is your burden, so face it. Bear it. Your beloved mother is asking for a favor and you're turning me down. Okay. Good night. You're good. Egodi. Something needs to be done. This girl hasn't eaten all day. And it's like she's beginning to act mad.
What do you think? Maybe Hachi has decided to whisper wisdom into her void brain. Rapukania, leave her. Kajana tia na apa?
Nani.
Take her inside.
Nani, how can you say such a thing? She's your daughter. Can't you see she's acting abnormally?
I don't care anymore. By the way, Negod, I want to carry wine to the parents of the girl I intend to marry.
Ibekwe, it's a guinea. No, please wait. Are you serious with what you're saying? You
were not listening to me.
Ibekwe, it is not fair. If Abunjo, it is a sin in the sight of God and man. Ibekwe. Oh!
I want to marry Anozie.
Now I know she's mad.
I am not mad. I want to marry Anozie.
Negod, put a leash on your daughter. Because mad people tend to become difficult to control once they enter the market.
Chai! Even reaching up as some wine. Hey! Then can you see where no bem no biambulo umbulo wum. Alubem on your Zabia take over. Hi! Alum, if you want in a fool, no one. Okay. Chukunaka can not be quick and cow. I want to say, oh, brother, come on. Nine. Please. Why do you want to embarrass me by bringing another woman into this house? Eh?
The only thing that will deter me from bringing in a second wife is if a goody will either by fortune or misfortune get pregnant and give us a male child.
Why? Why? Why would you give us such a difficult condition? Onyega to be good, who will impregnate her? Eh?
Mbano. It's not. I'm not giving you any condition. You heard me say it loud and clear. It's either this way or the other one. Oberea, we know that other way. That's why you came. Okay. So this way, is it not easy? If not, well, I souvenir that other way. Onde vai,
Nani, dear woman. It's not fair. It's not fair.
Hey, eh? Why? Oh, goodness. Iga juo giga. Juku chicha. Eh? Oh. Mbaze nkete.
I need you to see, eh? I'm wondering, can you please stay a little longer? Let's see if, by chance, if you will get pregnant and give your father a male child, just to make him happy. Good. Your father wants to bring in another wife. Please help me.
Mama, I will never have a bastard. Never.
Be good. Help me. Do you know what it means for your husband to bring in another wife into this compound? Be good.
Mama, that will be over my dead body. Good night.
I love you. You break my heart and love someone else.
Jamie, these things are dated to the ears. I mean, they are very appalling. How can you, a titled man and a communicant of the Holy Roman Catholic Church, be encouraging your daughter to commit sin because you want an heir? Now you go about threatening your wife that you get a second wife? Have you considered your fate?
All these things started when I asked Anozie. I told him he would not marry my daughter. The child is not his. That child is also not Ugeze's. Ugeze returned the dowry he paid on my daughter. Where have I gone wrong? Where?
Okay, but you have to stop threatening your wife like that. Let sleeping dogs lie. Besides, you've been without a male child all these years.
I will not continue to ask her to give me an heir.
And then you will not continue to threaten her that you get a second wife. It should be consider this thing like this. If you get a second wife, you will be practicing polygamy. Polygamy is a sin against God. And polygamy has the ability to tear your family apart.
Father, Kwefolonka, Obanyero, Odabalo Chacha. No. Let me do it my way. Sorry. I will marry a second wife.
Then you have to consider yourself a non-communicant of the Holy Roman Catholic Church.
So be it. No one mania. I can never be. Eh? Because even when you're John, I said, so be it. Let it be between me and my God. My father, I will marry a second wife. And my body is father. Never mind.
The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I offenses, I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. You treat me very bad, and you make me feel so sad. I've always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you. You treat me very bad, and you make me feel so sad. I've always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. You treat me very bad.
Wait. Let me
Thank you very much. You know, a lot of people have been passing me on the road and nobody has offered to help.
Well, everyone has their problems.
All the same, they should do what is necessary. Anyway, thank you very much. Thanks. Sorry, are you from this village?
No, this is my maternal home. And you?
Well, I'm actually a nurse. I'm on my way back from my annual leave. Thank you. My house is this way.
This way, right?
Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much. I'm really grateful. Thank you.
Where, here?
Yes.
Oh, this is very nice.
Nice. I don't like it here. There is no electricity. I'm always cut off from the real world whenever I'm here.
Well, I guess you have to get used to it.
Well, I'm trying.
Okay, I believe you can take it from here. Let me continue my journey.
Before you leave, why don't you come in? Let me offer you something at least.
Don't worry about it. My maternal home is not far from here.
I know you are, but at least have something. I have some fruits in the bag.
Don't worry, maybe next time. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.
Okay, but you're free to come here anytime you choose to, please.
Come here.
Yes.
And what will you tell your husband? Who will you tell your husband that I am?
I don't have a husband.
Oh, you don't? What about the child?
I'm a single mother.
Oh, I see.
You don't think it's cool, right?
No, I mean, it is totally your choice. Your baby is beautiful.
He's actually a boy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, he's so handsome.
Thank you very much.
Let me take my leave now.
Well, that's okay, but please, will you come back tomorrow?
Yes, okay. Yes, I will come.
Okay. Sorry. I didn't get your name.
My name is Ugweze.
Ugweze. My name is Machi.
I will see you tomorrow, Machi.
Okay.
Let me help you with the...
Okay.
Nani, Egodi wants to tell you something. One would think that the putrid deity that has become my companion would have been tired by now. But time itself has become my misfortune. I have decided to look for a way to give you a child. A male child. Egodi! Egodi, my daughter. Thank you. Thank you, my daughter. Thank you. Hey, God bless you. Egodi, thank you so much. Hey.
It is too late.
How do you mean?
Were you not the person that reported me to Father John? Well, I promised Father John that I would no longer force her to have a child in my house. I'm going to get a new wife.
It's not fair. Bekwe, it is not fair. Menu mani, the man meta yema.
What has come on Kodrom?
So, are you married?
I was married.
You were married?
Yes, but not anymore.
What happened? Where is your wife?
She's with her people now.
And your children?
None. We didn't have any.
Oh. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I hear she's going to remarry soon.
Oh. That's such a pity. I'm very sorry.
No, no problem at all. So, what about your son?
Oh, he's inside. He's sleeping.
You know, what's his name?
He doesn't have a name yet.
Oh, okay. I see.
Yes. So, tell me about yourself.
Mama. Yes. I'm a farmer. Simple.
A farmer? I mean, does anyone still take farming as a serious occupation in this part of the country?
I don't know about people, auntie, but as for me, I am a farmer.
Okay. So why don't you tell me about your wife? I know she must be very beautiful.
My ex-wife.
Yes, your ex-wife.
Well, I don't like to talk about her. I don't like to talk about the past.
Then she must have really hurt you.
No one is perfect.
So is that why you left your village?
I don't want to talk about that. Maybe some other time, but not today.
You see, people are very wicked. That is why I decided to become a single mother on time. I wouldn't want to hurt anybody, neither would I want anybody to hurt me in return.
Good and fine, but we all need company sometime.
Yes, that is why I have my son. He will be that to me.
I see. Okay, I think I should take my leave now.
I thought you said you were going to stay longer.
I'm not going home now. I've been here for 3 hours.
Oh, really? Well, I'm sorry. I wasn't counting.
Don't worry. Next time when I'm coming, I'll bring a clock.
You're very funny, I mean. But please, I want you to come tomorrow. I'll close from work on time, please.
Okay, I will try.
Please do try. It's really not boring when you're around. Please.
Okay. I am flattered.
Oh, really? Where is it?
Where is what?
I mean the flattering.
You're really funny.
And you are funnier.
I've not laughed like this in a while.
Yes, and that is why I think well, never mind. I was just joking. Okay, sorry.
Don't worry. I understand. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. All right.
I don't know. Maybe he's beginning to see me as his father.
You always have something to say. Magic.
What did you just call me?
Magic.
Why?
Don't worry, I'll tell you later.
Tell me now.
I'll tell you when I want to tell you. Let's go.
Okay, fine. So, when are you planning to give him a name?
Funny enough, I actually thought about that today.
And what name did you think of?
EBERE.
You smiled.
I think he likes me. Anyway, I think the next thing is to baptize him. I'll wear the shoes. Because that's the right thing to do, don't you think so?
Of course. I think this is a good idea.
Yeah.
Machi.
Where have you been? I have been waiting for you.
Machi, I'm really sorry. I went to the stream to soak cassava for my grandmother. Where's Obiefuna?
Well, he's sleeping inside. You look very tired. You smell of sweat.
Yes. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I have been at the farm since morning.
Well, it's okay. Just come inside. Have your bath. I prepared you fried rice.
Fried rice?
Yes.
I've never had that before.
Oh, anyway, that's all right. Just come in, have your bath, and then you eat it. Okay? Okay?
Fried rice. I thought you said I'm sweaty and smelly.
This is why I call you magic.
Don't you think that this happened too fast? Too slow?
That is what I'm saying. I think he charmed me.
Are you hungry?
No. I'm not angry. I mean, I'm just surprised this thing happened really fast. I mean, you charmed me so easily. And seriously, that has never happened before. I mean, no man has ever done that to me. Do you think I'm in the best position to answer that?
Very well.
I think so.
Oh, I'm hungry. The real hunger. I'm gonna go mad.
Okay, I think I still have some rice in the kitchen. I'll just get to that.
Thank you. And also check if we will be up.
You were making too much noise. I'll just check for the food. Come here.
Yo. Dikeh of Africa can't call ya. Hey! Give me water. Did you put sugar there?
Maybe not.
This water is sweet. Everything about you is sweet.
Oh.
The food is not even delicious. It's sweet.
I know. I'm a good cook.
Hey, wait. Emuliamu.
You like it? It's sweet, right?
This is delicious.
Oh.
This is what food is supposed to taste like.
So you'll be eating poison all this while?
Genede. Ivan is here. This one, not talking about. In not talking more and more.
I'll be cooking, in fact, better ones.
Do you know, if I eat this kind of food again, I'll be younger, I'll be stronger, I'll be fresher. Eh? Akweba.
Don't worry. I will show you unconditional love. I will make you, in fact, get you love for your side, you see.
Akuyano. Hey, God, even tall.
I'll show you love.
Even tall.
You know I love you so much.
What? See, I'm taking you to Enugu.
Eh?
Don't worry. I'll pack everything. All for you. See, the children, I saw one male child in you, this way, another one, this way, another one, there. Then there was one male child I saw standing like this. Hey! Wow!
Is this not Ngozi? Ngozi! Look at this Akunakuna. Lele, look at this one. What are you doing here, Ngozi?
Hey!
Ngozi, that all the men in this village has gone to take their own. Ngozi, what are... Oh, it's not my father's son, Okwaya?
Yeah?
It's not my father's son, Ngozi. You will break up. Ngozi, what are you doing here? What are you doing here, Ngozi? Ngozi, what are you doing here?
Hey!
Oh, Mama. Hey!
Yeah,
Look at this. This is Akunakuna. Oh, it's not my father's son.
Hey!
It is not my father's son, Okwaya. Oh!
No matter. Hey!
Because you! Oh, my father! Papa, because you! This is not my father's son! Oh, you want to use my father's to count! You want to count for my father! Hey,
Yeah! It's on Nogu! Hey! I'm going to have
You today, you're lucky.
You're not ashamed of yourself.
Akuna! You're not ashamed of yourself. You want to use my father to count? Okay, I will kill you.
Let me talk.
Look at her.
Hey.
Nice.
Sit down here.
Not my food.
Sit down here.
Hey.
Sit here.
Your food, my food.
When you finish, that's my food. One. They're going to provide one white fowl.
Where? In this house? In this house?
White fowl. Then 2. You are going to move your things out of my room.
Simple.
Go and meet your Egodi.
Papa, see! Papa, see!
Both of you will stay in one room. This one is Sala.
Go to the
Sala.
You shut up!
Hey, Sala, I'm telling you. I'm speaking for you. This one, we're gonna chum. We're gonna chum, ma'am. They're not down here. Did you hear me? Eh? Akuna.
You see her?
Come and go.
Look at what they are doing to you.
Stop.
You will not go back to your husband's house. You will not go. I will break you.
Shut up your mouth.
I will break you.
Hey. Look, I am handsome, I am good, I am strong, kakaraka. Head, middle, down, every part of me. Virile, agile. Abuya, I'm niti. I'm underneath.
Ah. Do you want us to try?
Hey, it was na look.
See, if you continue like this, no distance time, I will give you a male child.
Rapoeva.
In fact, children.
Rapoeva. Just go and get set. Go and get set.
I'm ready now.
3. 3 plates. That's what I'm eating. That's what I'm pouring inside you now.
At the same time.
Yeah. Huh? It make way. When we get to the river, we cross it. First of all, how many times?
3.
It's done now. That's what I said. Yeah. My friend. Oh, we get set. Get set. Hey, get set.
Remember me, Goody? You don't remember me?
No, I don't. I can't remember you.
Of course you do. We spoke yesterday in the church. Do you remember? Anyway, you see, Goody, I've been monitoring you for weeks now. I've been following you, and this is a great opportunity. Can we talk now?
Talk about what?
Come on, talk about us. Me and you.
There's nothing to talk about.
Alright. If you don't want to talk, maybe I do the talking.
Don't follow me.
I'm already doing that. I'm following you again. I don't want to. Just relax and listen to me.
I will insult you.
Insult? Come on, insult me. I won't even have problem with the insult. See, Egodi, I will not stop following you until you relax and listen to me.
What do you want?
Is it not obvious? I want you. That is all.
Please, I am not ready for this.
Come on, Egodi. You've not really thought about it. You've not given it a trial. Come on, they say there's no harm in trial. Who knows? Anyway, come on. My name is Obina.
Egodi.
Come on, are you kidding me? I already know that.
So, what else do you want from me?
Fine. I can see you are not in the right frame of mind. So, is there any possibility we can sit tomorrow? We sit down in a quiet place. We talk. Please.
Some chance.
Is that a yes? I can see that is a yes. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow, Egodi. Please.
Please stop.
I should stop?
Stop.
Is everything alright, Ego? What is it?
I want to ask you for a favor.
A favor? Come on. Ask me anything. If you want me to give you one of my scrotum, I'll give it to you just to make you happy. So what is the favor?
I need space. I need space right now.
You need space? Space, is it something I can buy with money? I don't understand.
I don't want this to continue anymore. Bye.
Good. Good, wait, please.
To love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you.
Don't make my father see you here.
See, Egodi, I'm not scared of your father. I won't leave you until you explain to me what this drama is all about. See, Egodi, do you know I couldn't sleep last night? I was thinking about you. To a point, I nearly lost it because of you. Please.
You don't know anything about me. You can't marry someone you don't know anything about.
You see the problem with you? You don't know how deeply I love you. Because if you do, you would know that I know everything about you. See, Egodi, of course I know you were married to Goethe. I know you have a child. But I don't care. Like I told you before, love doesn't ask why. It speaks from the heart and never explains. Please, Egodi, I want you to be mine. I will be complete if you become mine. Please.
You want to marry me, right?
If you say yes, I'll marry you right now. As we
then
are
go
right
for a test.
Come on, test! Egodi, I've told you I've gone for test. And my blood group is A positive, my genotype is AA. I told you that before. Why mentioning it again?
Go for a potency test. Go.
Which one is potency test, Kwa? Are you suspecting me that I'm not potent? I love you, I'm not scared of your father. If he lies, let him come and shoot me. I'm very potent. If you doubt me, you can go and ask my father. It runs in the blood. I love you.
My only offense is I love you.
Listen to me, Mama. You don't have to kill yourself because my papa married another woman. Do you hear me? You have to be stronger now. Because Papa doesn't even care if you cry yourself to death. They will continue to live happy. You have many more years to live. So please, Mama, don't let jealousy shorten your life. You deserve to be happy, you know? I have good news for you.
You do?
Yes.
What is it?
You remember that man I told you I met at the church?
Obinna.
Yes, Mama. I saw him the other day.
Oh, really?
He's so fond of me. He said he wants to marry me.
Are you serious?
Yes, Mama.
But you don't know him too well.
Mama, I am worried. I'm still scared of men.
It's okay, my dear. Just give it time and you get to know him. Alright? We'll take it from there.
Exactly what I told him. I told him I needed time to know him.
That's good. I'm so proud of you.
And I'm happy and smiling now.
You're a very strong girl.
Thank you, Mama. I wish I had half of your strength.
I don't know why I still love you.
I'm going back to my father's house.
Hey, where are you going with this box?
My father's house.
I'm not going anywhere. Listen, let me tell you. Take that box inside. I paid for your head. I paid for your body. I paid for your hand. Paid for from here to here. Everything I paid for. Carry that box inside, my friend. Take that box inside.
And where am I? Agreanya tapose. Oburu di dalungwalo. Because you paid for my bride price. Because you paid for alarm. That's why you cannot perform on the bed. Baba Kuba. Ede. Don't tell me to shut up. Don't tell me to shut up. Away from a minute. 1 minute into me. Every time you keep on sweating like even. Look at you. Look at you.
You called me Baba Kuba?
Yes, that's what you are. Baba Kuba, Alaku.
Do you know that you are responsible for all this? You are responsible for it. What are you telling me?
Hell.
When I went in, it wasn't hot. I wanted to go the way I should go. You say I should try the other style. That style is not good. So that's the style that broke this waist. I am an experienced person. Experienced in everything. I do everything with experience.
Ika baba kwanu Jerusalem. Okola gate ki no. Aro wedding gate wa. Go and look for your time. Your waist will break.
Bubaiba.
Bubaiba. Nga pachikwa kuku kefolafo. I will break it oh. I will break it oh.
Take this.
Go and call your wife.
Take this box inside now. Don't you see? Can't you see that there are no waste again?
I leave this bag.
Can't you see it?
Can you leave this bag?
Hey!
Nonsense. Now, Lele, here's you now.
No, I won't. I even know who I broke believe it. Opiage by Mama Divine.
Pondo.
Hey, thank you, one more. Thank you, one more. Thank you, one more. Hey, Papa, don't Papa, what you doing?
Okay, have you not even started? You're shouting. Well, let's take you to the hospital now.
Take it easy now. Don't take me to the hospital. You want me ever? You have to be.
It's okay. I wasn't on the tonto. No, why you?
Wait, is that why you're using my back as samba?
It was caused by Ngozi. Ego Yibogi. And now where is she? My
back is not drum now. Wait, let's agree on that.
Okay.
It's not bongo.
Let me use this as sneaker.
What is sneaker?
What is bongo?
Bongo is a back. And you're using my back as bongo. Boom, boom, boom.
Nika, quarter to trouser, quarter past sneaker.
Papa, you turn now so that they can finish this thing. Eh?
It's just to take it easy.
Mama, you take it easy.
I've heard you.
Please take it easy.
Okay.
You will take it easy.
Oh.
Papa, she said she will take it easy now.
Finish up the massage. Let me go and rest.
Hey! I must come on massage here. Samba kana kwe. Why on the air? Hey! Everyone have it! What's wrong with that? Go! Wait! Tell it. No. You wanna have it? Okay. Why is your mouth like that?
How?
Your mouth.
How?
Your mouth it's like the mouth of somebody that is nakubongo.
Come on now, let me finish up.
No.
A man is soaked in the river of his own shame. But he stands a greater man when he rises above his errings. Forgive me for the way I've been treating you ever since. Forgive me. Please.
I have forgiven you. Now where are you going?
Hey.
You know, that catechist was asking you too many questions.
I almost fired back at him. But I was just so scared of his big nose and large eyes. I could not say a word.
I thought I was the only one that noticed it too.
That guy is ugly.
And they say no man is ugly. It is a lie. That man is ugly. Did you notice I did not allow him to touch my child?
Hey, why now? His ugliness is contagious.
Because his own is contagious. And the most funny part was when he said, I should name my cute son Polycarp. As in, I don't understand. And when I said no, he suggested Isaiah.
And I saw the look on your face when he said that. You were not finding it.
That moment, I want him not to mention that again. This is the 21st century, for goodness sake.
One day, Onoga, to put you in trouble. You're about to put you in trouble.
And I hope you will be around that day. I want to thank you. Thank you so much. I mean, I didn't believe you would agree to stand as his father.
You don't need to thank me. I'm really happy to do this. I stand for whatever will make you and Obiefuna happy.
Thank you very much. That doesn't mean we'll name him Polycarp.
I agree with you on that one. Machi! I've been calling you since. What is this?
Okweze, I said you should leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Leave you alone. Did I do anything wrong? Please, tell me if I did anything wrong.
You did not do anything wrong. I just cannot continue with this. Leave me alone.
Machi. Machi, what is this now? Machi, it's me, Grace, and I'm talking to you. Machi. Okay, please. Machi, it's me, Ugoeze. If I did something wrong, just tell me, please. What did I do wrong?
You want to know what you have done wrong?
Yes.
Can you not see the handwriting on the wall? Ugoeze, we are from different parts of the world.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Do you want to understand what I'm trying to say? I will make it clear to you. You are a village farmer. I am a civil servant. Does that even sound right to you? It doesn't. Ugoeze, leave me alone, please.
You didn't just say that to me. Machi.
You are not deaf, are you?
Machi, don't do this. Biko, emekwana ifa.
Ugoeze, please, just go. Go, please.
So it's true. You used me. Machi, you used me, Ugoeze. You let me into your bedroom all because you wanted me to stand as your husband during Obiefuna's christening. That is it.
I let you into my bedroom because you used charms on me. That is it.
Machi, what are you talking about? Please, what has come over you?
Freedom. Freedom. Free from your charms. That is it.
What are you talking about? Machi! I can't believe you're doing this.
You don't have to sit there like a homeless man.
Last night was terrible.
Ugweze, I'll be late for work.
Why have you chosen to hurt me like this? Why?
What do you want?
I want to breathe again. Freely.
I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry.
How is Obiefuna?
He's fine. My cousin visited and took him away. Let's go home.
You'll be late.
I know what I want. Let's go.
Missed you so much.
And I missed you too. You know, you've never really told me about yourself.
Well, you never asked.
Okay. Wanu, tell me about yourself.
Well, I'm that woman that grew up knowing hearts break.
Tell me about it.
I really never knew who my parents were. That's all you need to know for me.
Oh, came to Pasilla. I lost my father when I was still at a very tender age. My mother died immediately after.
Oh. I'm sorry about it. I mean, we have almost the same story.
Let's get married.
What?
Marry me.
What's about Obiefuna?
Obiefuna is already my son. Or do you want me to officially adopt him? Because I will.
Slow it down. Take it easy. You still have to give me time to think about it.
No. I mean, we have had enough time to think about it.
What if your wife comes back?
She will not come back. I returned the bride price, okay? And I told you that she's remarrying.
I'm sorry. I forgot what you did. But you still have to give me time to think about it.
Time is now.
What for?
Egoti, I've gone for that test, the potency test. And do you know what? I am very, very okay. Even the doctor told me that my potency is very high. That if I want to make children that will cover one village, that might be a Umobina village, that I can. So you see, I'm very potent. I told you you were doubting me. It runs in the blood.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Bye.
You know what, Egodi? I'll be traveling to Germany next week for a course. But before I travel, I've talked to my people. will be coming to see your parents so that we formalize everything. Hope that is okay.
Obina, I have not told you I was going to marry you.
Come on, Igodi. Why are you doing this to me? We've talked this over and over again. You want me to kneel down so that people will know how serious I am?
I told you to find out about me.
And I've told you I've done enough. I've known everything I need to know about you. What else do you want me to know?
No, you haven't. There are a lot of things you need to know about me. I don't want to be mocked later in your house.
Why would I mock a girl I adore very much? A girl I love with my whole heart. Why will I do that?
Obina, I need you to respect my decision. Please.
I can see you are still in love with your ex-husband.
Can I go now?
Come on, we're not done.
Edo. Edo.
Why is he hurting me this way? Why is he like this?
What have you done? Eh? The young man has tried though. Don't you love him?
I do. I do, Mother, I do.
So why don't you want to marry him?
I don't know, Mother. Maybe I'm still scared of men.
Well, wherever I can support you. You know what? If the young man is serious, he will come back with his people. Alright? Stop crying, it's enough. You may beg it for Anya.
What is it? What is it?
What happened? What happened?
Mama, he's gone.
He's gone. Who is gone?
Mama, he's gone. Obin has left for Germany, Mama.
Who is Obin?
Don't worry. If he's destined to marry you, he will definitely come back. Oh, Ebesina.
I ask again, who is Obin?
He's in a way. Well, Obinna is a very good friend. A man.
Edo. Don't cry. Don't cry.
Everything will be sorted out. If whatever win lane, again, Messia, a wet wenya, you not love Yana. Do you know that in my dream, I saw you dancing here in this compound?
Nah, the dream, Joseph the dream. So,
what
kind of dance there?
Awilo. Lokomba.
Okay.
Awilo, Lokomba. Awilo, Lokomba.
Why your makana Awilo? Hey, now guess who I saw at the market today?
Oh, Mama. Ooh, Obina.
Where is it?
Where?
At the market. I saw him with his wife and son. You still love him?
He's married with a son. All I seek is water to wash away the vile taste of vinegar Ugweze ruthlessly scooped into my mouth. It would have made more sense if I wasn't married before his return.
You will get married someday. You're still young and beautiful. Wait, don't tell me you have doubts, right? You think Obinna and his people will not come to ask me about marriage? Is that it?
I don't know.
The smoke is killing me.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, please, we're looking for the way to the church. Madam?
Sorry, what did you say?
We're looking for the way to the church.
Oh, the church?
Yes.
You see this road?
Yes.
Go by your right, you see the church.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
Fine boy. What is your name?
His name is Okefu. He's still learning how to talk.
Obiefuna.
Yes.
Obiefuna, how are you?
Come on, say fine. Let's just ask me how you are. Anyway, never mind. My name is Mwachi.
Egodi. I'm Egodi.
Since you already showed us the way to the church, we'll be on our way. Thank you very much.
See you some other time.
Okay, thank you. You don't want to see her
I saw Chukwujeku.
Chukwujeku? Yes, Mama. When? Where? Ebere?
I saw them.
No.
He was with a lady. I gave them direction to the church. He looked at me. And, Mama, I felt these goosebumps all over my body. Mama, that boy is my son. That is Chukwujeku, Mama.
I saw them. You directed them. He looked into your eyes. He goose pimple all over your body. Then you concluded it's your son. Don't even start. Do you even sometimes listen to what you say? No,
Mama, that's my son. I know what I am saying, Mama. I know what I am saying. I am a mother, Mama. I know this one. Mama, my heart leaped. My heart leaped when I looked into his eyes. Mama, that boy is my son.
Hey.
That is Chukwujeku. He's my son.
Hey, Osgo. It's enough. He's your son. Please, I beg you, don't take me back to the past. Don't take me back to things that I want to forget. If you want to kill it, your heart leaps. Oh, my heart in a leap. Mbobu no bia na anwa point. I be ko na ba paso mi we. Ona akoyeli.
She doesn't believe me. He's my son. Mama, that boy is my son, Mama.
Daddy. Bye, Never.
Who am I seeing? Who gets it? Who gets it? Hey, this is not happening.
Good to see you, Uncle.
Fine boy.
Good to see you.
Yellow Sisi. What am I doing? Please, sit down.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sit down.
Thank you.
Fine boy. So what do I offer them? Coke, more, anything?
No, nothing there.
Let me jump.
Hey, don't worry.
Is that?
Jacket.
No problem.
No.
Let me at least bring a seat for myself. Hey, this is wonderful. Who gets it?
Daddy.
Who gets
it?
You see, someone told me that he saw you yesterday, but I couldn't believe it.
Well, you do.
All the same, you're welcome.
Thank you. Dave, this is my wife, Machi, my wife, and this is my son, Obiefuna.
Who gets it? You mean you are married?
Yes, Uncle, I am married.
And you didn't even bother to send me words. It's unfair now. I
am very sorry. You know I'm not normally like that. It's just that everything happened very fast.
Is that?
Yes.
All the same, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Yellow Sisi. It's like we have met before.
I'm not sure.
I am sure we have met before. It's only I can't remember exactly where. I don't easily forget faces.
Well, it's a small world. It's very possible.
Not the same. You're welcome again.
Uncle.
Welcome.
Thank you, Dave.
Welcome again.
Good to see you again. Good to see you.
Hey, you say I shouldn't bother getting you people anything.
Don't worry. We're fine. We just came to say hello. As him and I, but the first thing I get, Uncle Lady. You want to say hello to your granduncle?
Hey!
Uncle, you're so funny.
I am so happy. So happy.
Thank you.
Yellow Sisi. Get it. Let me have it.
Oh, okay. So that's
Ugweze. Ugweze. Your uncle almost scared life out of me. Did he say anything to you?
He said nothing.
He told you nothing. And you were looking at me as if he said something about me to you.
Nothing.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
Should I get you lunch?
Not yet.
I don't understand this. Is there something you need to tell me? Honestly, I cannot believe Ugweze could do such a thing.
He just disappeared into thin air.
Mama, what we should be thinking now is the solution. What do we do? I need to get back my child.
I will go and talk to Igwe. Yes. You should be able to do something. But first, I need to discuss it with your father.
No, Mama, you can't do that. He won't be part of it.
Don't worry. I know how to handle your father. We need to talk about it first. Mama,
please do. I need to get back my child. I must get back my child.
What is it? What is this? Machi, I have told you that I'm fine. There's nothing wrong with me. Please let me be. I want to sleep.
You are not fine. And I will not let you sleep until you tell me what is going on. Ugumi, you are hurting me. Talk to me. What is it?
You want to know what is wrong?
Yes, I will.
You want to know?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I am being accused of stealing someone's child.
What?
Yes.
I mean, who is accusing you of this?
Someone in this village.
Okay, I still don't understand. Why would you be bothered if you did not do it?
The same day I left this village, a child went missing. Now, Uncle Eddie has reasons to believe or suspect that that child may be Obiefuna.
Oh, please, come on, that's ridiculous.
You think it is?
Yes.
Tell me about Obiefuna.
Ugum, we talked about this before.
I cannot remember. Echifugum.
Well, I adopted him.
From where? When?
Okom, I don't understand why you're asking all these questions. I can't even remember the name of this orphanage home.
Could it be that Obiefuna is the missing child?
No, it can't be. Obiefuna is not the missing child. They're talking rubbish. He's not.
If Obiefuna is the missing child, I'm finished. I am.
Ugum, you need to calm down. You really need to calm down. I don't need you to overwork yourself. I adopted him legally.
No, this cannot happen to me again. This cannot.
Nai, there's something I want to discuss with you.
What is it?
Egodi has found her son.
Where?
He's with Ugeze.
Ugeze? Man, it's not possible.
She met them on the road.
Yeah, Jelukwa. How did she know that he was the child? Did she give him a mark?
No, she did not give him a mark.
I see. Now, if you're not honorable for me to go into a fight of blame, Obrian, or even a setting him up. In a Nike, you want to fire me so that I will go for a fight of blame, is it not? Were you not the person that told me that the child was legally adopted?
Yes, I did. But the issue
Abort was never an abort. And I got even now. Abort was an knife or buna in abort, or Bugudu no is sick in abort, Naija abort was na. And whatever Naija.
Ife mmadụ na-achọ n'uke enu ka ọ fụziri n'nke anyị wee lachapụ ọsọ.
Ọ bụrụ ọsọ ka a na-agba. Ọ bụrụ ọsọ ka a na-agba. Ọkwanụ nka. Ọkwa ifuru efi. Nka ka eji gbalị ọsọ. Nwayọọ ka eji alacha ofe dị ọkụ. When the time comes, we will see it.
Ugom, you've been like this all day. What is it? You're not saying anything.
There is nothing to say.
Are you still worried about the accusation?
Where is Obiefuna?
He's inside. He's eating.
Good. Get him my own food.
We need to see a doctor.
Not yet. We need to talk before you do that.
What do we need to talk about?
You need to know the truth.
What truth?
I'll tell you later.
We need to talk about it now. It's been 2 years already since I met you, and I haven't seen any sign of pregnancy. You need to go for checkup. Ogoma, are you crying? What is it? Why are you crying?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What are you sorry about? What is it? Ogom, what is it? What is it? Just take it easy.
I'm sorry.
Ogom, what is it? What are you sorry about? So why didn't you tell me all this one?
The truth is that I was really scared of losing you. Really scared. Moreover, I thought they found the child. I'm sorry. Please.
What I don't understand is why you would reject a child because that child is a girl. Ogom, that's very primitive. I mean, nobody knows what a child would become tomorrow.
I agree. I was blind. I was very, very blind. I mean, I was desperate to be like other men. I was really desperate for an Ozo title. I didn't even see myself as stupid. I didn't even know I was being stupid.
I mean, if you hadn't spilled the wine to deny any ties with your wife, that child would still have been yours. But that singular act of yours has ruined everything. Everything. I just hope we don't lose at the end. Because clearly I can see the handwriting on the wall.
Biko, we will fight. We will fight with everything we have. We won't lose. We can't lose. I mean, if we lose EBERE for now, we're finished. I'm finished.
Just calm down.
Yes. An accusation was brought to the Council of Elders today. Egodi said you ran away with her child 2 years ago.
She's mad. What kind of talk is that? I'm ready to face her anywhere. She should come.
Before you face her, is it not necessary that you first go and ask your wife questions?
There is nothing for me to ask my wife. Absolutely nothing, Uncle. Uncle, okay, can you remember that before you even asked me to leave this village, Egodi was already looking for her child? Can you remember? I can swear to you that Egodi knows exactly where that child is. She should come. I'm ready to face her. Can I call the account?
Egodi.
Oh no.
You said the boy is your son.
Yes or no?
Can you prove this? Is there any mark on his body? Or did you put any mark? Like bat mark, something? For you to prove that he is truly your son?
No. But that boy is my son. He got missing the very day Uweze left this village.
You heard her. Is that true?
Oh no. Nkebo is Yogu Budamamaro. I do not know, but I doubt it. Because Machi adopted the child before we met.
Come on. Tell us the truth.
Yes or no? I had adopted the boy before
we met.
It takes only one word to be an honest man. And it takes one word to be a liar. The truth. Did you legally adopt the child?
No. My auntie gave me the child. She said the mother abandoned the boy at the orphanage home. I only baptized him at the church.
Did you abandon the child?
No. I never abandoned my baby. She's lying. I gave the child to the matron.
This case is very clear. My decision is this. That child belongs to Egodi.
Never, oh no. I do not agree with that decision. I will take the matter to court if I have to.
But in the first place, it was your stupidity that caused all this rubbish. You should be ashamed of yourself.
I do not care what my stupidity caused or did not cause. I don't care. It is not your business. The child is my son. I have his birth certificates, everything. He bears my father's name.
You are raising your voice at me?
I do not care, oh no. I will take this matter to court. All of you, I will fight you in court.
Ugeze, come back here.
Leave him alone. I know how to deal with him. That child belongs to her. Find out.
Thank you, no. Thank you.
It's alright. It's alright.
Ugeze, what you did was wrong. Very wrong. You shouldn't have walked out on Onowu.
Is that why you're here?
Exactly.
Uncle, is that why you are here?
Ugeze, you see, sometimes when I look at you, I feel shame for you.
I don't care what you feel for me.
You don't care. Now let me advise you. Don't take this case to court.
Nothing will stop me. Nobody will stop me.
You then better prepare for the consequences.
I'm ready to face the consequences, Uncle.
You're ready.
It's alright.
Obim, you shouldn't have walked out on Onowu. We would have another child. A child that will bear our own blood.
I don't think so.
Come. We will bear our own child. I mean, even if you take this matter to court, you will not win. Because the DNA will show that you are not the real father of this child.
DNA?
Yes. It's a test that determines the paternity of a child.
So what do we do now? What?
We would have to wait for our own child. Please.
You don't understand.
My love, we cannot continue keeping this child. We can't. We have to take him back to Egodi. I mean, the first day I saw Egodi, I saw Obiefuna in her. My conscience will not allow me if we continue to keep him. Please. We have to take him back to her. Let's not bring a curse upon ourselves. Please. Please.
What do we do now?
Ma, I don't know. What if he takes the matter to court? I mean, we don't have any proof to show that that child is my son.
He will not go to court.
Mama, you don't know Ogeze. I know him very well. He will go to court and he will win.
I brought back your son. You're a good woman. God will bless you with your own child. Also,